Hi there, I'm going to show you in this video tutorial how to unlock Nokia 105 2019, alias known as Nokia TA-1174, but can have other code names as well. As you can see, we have here one device which is requesting for the unlock code. We can also check the SIMLOCK status here. SIMLOCK info with the provider MCC and NEC and the level for the lock. So in order to unlock it, I'm going to use the Furiousgold box and the SPD service tool, latest version from the pack 2. So let's start by powering off the device. Now we return to the software and we choose our model, and from the operations I'm going to choose remove SIMLOCK. We press connect, and now we connect the phone with the keys 4 and 7 pressed to the USB cable while the software is searching for it. So we press 4 and 7 and insert the USB cable. If everything is okay, the device gets detected, as you can see. And the work starts. Phone unlocked. As you can see, it's giving us the unlock code here. So let's power on the device. And let's enter the code. So it's hash B W plus 073 5 3 4 08 15 01 4 3 8 4 plus 1 hash, and now we press OK. Okay, done. Code got accepted. As you can see, we have here Vodafone Romania, full signal, so everything went okay. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Bye bye.